Hi Veeder parents, and welcome to our open house. You will have a chance to meet your child's teacher, learn about classroom expectations, routines, grade level curriculum, and schedules. You will also learn about our new math program, Ready Classroom. I encourage you to ask good questions and learn how you can best support your child at home this year. Also, I ask that you sign up for a parent-teacher conference. We have 3 scheduled during the month of November, so you'll have an opportunity to sign up for a day that works for you. Also, parents, I need your help this year. We're excited to be back in person, but for the health and safety of our school, I ask that you do those morning check-ins with your child. As soon as your child wakes up in the morning, ask how they're feeling, look for symptoms, if they're lethargic, if they're complaining of a stomach ache, if they have a sore throat, a cough, chills, or fever, please do not send them to school. This is for the health and safety of every child, including my staff and their families. I know if we work together, we can stay open and maintain your child's education this year. Now, let's meet some of the special area teachers who will be working with your child in either music, art, PE, speech, reading, or math. I look forward to a successful school year. If you have any questions throughout the year, concerns, or issues, please email me directly or call the main office, and I will get back to you to discuss those concerns. Let's have a great school year. Thank you.
Hi, Veeder families. My name is Jennifer Judge, and I am the school psychologist at Veeder Elementary School. I am beginning my 20th year in the district, and I consider myself very lucky to be here. I enjoy working with your kids and am available to talk if you have any questions or concerns. Don't hesitate to reach out.
My name is Jenna Umar, and I am the social worker here at Veeder this year. I hope that you all have a wonderful year. I'm really excited to get to know you.
Hello, Mrs. Burgner, Carol Ann Burgner, and I'm a reading teacher. You might hear my name, Mrs. Burgner, or Mrs. DiBernardo. We'll be going into classrooms for the next few weeks. We're helping all of our students kind of mold back to the classroom, full classrooms, and doing lots of reading, writing, word work. Your turn.
And I'm Mrs. DiBernardo, and like Mrs. Burgner said, we are going into the class, we're getting to know all the students, helping everyone acclimate back to school, and helping those who need a little extra boost learning their letters, sounds, and reading books. Happy school year!
Hi, I'm Mrs. DeFazzio, Math AIS. And I'm Mrs. Budney, Math AIS. Our Math AIS program provides math support for students in class during math instruction.
Hi, I'm Allison Doxie, the speech therapist here at Veeder. I hope everyone has a great year, and if you have any questions about your child's speech, please reach out to me.
Hi friends, I'm Miss Ross, the school nurse. Have a good year, stay healthy.
Hi Veeder families, this is Coach Richardson. I'm the physical education teacher here. I've been here 20 years. I'm looking forward to having a great school year with all your boys and girls. Thank you.
Peter, I'm Mr. Pfaffenbach. I'm one of our physical education teachers here. I can't wait to have a fun and awesome year with your kids. We're going to do a lot of different things. We're going to play games. We're going to run. We're going to play tag. It's going to be great. Looking forward to it.
Hi Veeder families, my name is Miss Pendergast and I am the school librarian here at Veeder. I'm looking forward to a great school year and reading lots of wonderful books together.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mrs. Bouteiller and I'm the music teacher here at Veeder Elementary School. I'm so excited to work with everyone this year here in music. Nice to see you!